Hello, this is a guide how to create the bundles using the MBC Bundles application for Shopify stores. So when you click on the app in your Shopify apps, you will get an onboarding message that allows you to choose how you will create your first bundles. You can create it automatically. This feature is called Smart Bundles, or you can create them manually. Let's create them manually. So I will show how to create them step by step. So I click the button skip and create manually. The first step of bundle creating allows you to select one of the 5 bundle types: combo bundle, by product bundle, mix and match by collection, buy one get one, and the smart bundles. The main difference between a combo bundle and others is that a separate page is created for the first one. This page is similar to the product page, so you can see it in the Shopify. Regarding the by product bundle, you can see it only on the page of the product that includes it as a widget, frequently bought together. If you choose mix and match, customers could select products from predefined collection to create their own bundle. This widget will appear on the page of products that belong to the collections predefined in the bundle. The boho bundle is similar to the by product, with only 3 differences. First one, instead of fixed and percentage discount types, here you can choose a free products as buy one get one. The second difference, as the main product you can also add a whole collection or even a range of them, each product from which will be considered as a component of this bundle. The third difference is that this bundle may consist only of 2 products. That is, you can add several products or collections of products to this bundle, but the bundle will only be complete with each of them separately. That is, the widget will always display a free product and only one main product. Let's choose a combo bundle. Now we are on the step of adding products or product variants to the bundle. When creating a new one or editing an existing bundle, you need to click on the Add Product button in the Product section. Then select from the opened list of the products that are in your store the product that you want to add to the bundle. Also, when choosing a product, there is a Search Products function, which you can use so as not to scroll through a long list of products manually. In the product selection pop-up, you can check only the variant and not the whole product. Then just click Add button. You can also adjust the quantity of each of the products you add to the bundle. It is useful if your bundle will consist of several identical products or collections. In case you have chosen mix and match bundle on the previous step, the actions will be the same, except that instead of products and product variants, you will need to add collections, from which customers will be able to choose products on the storefront to complete the bundle. In case you chosen buy one get one bundle on the previous step, you can add products, product variants, or collections, each product from which will be considered as a separate component of this bundle. To go to the next step of creating the bundle, you should click the Setup Price Policy button. On this step, you can set up the price policy for the bundle. There are several available options of discount types. Let me list them. Sale price. Set up the fixed price you want the bundle to be selling for. Fixed discount. Set up the amount that will be deducted from the total cost of all products included in the bundle. Discount percentage. You can specify it from 0 to 100%. This amount will be deducted from the total cost of all products included in the bundle. There are also several other types of discount that are available for other types of bundles. Let me list them to free product. Choose the product that will be offered as a free in addition to the products you chosen at the previous step. This discount type is available only for the buy product bundle type. Next, buy one get one. This discount type similar to the free product with only one difference. This option is available only for the buy one get one bundle type, where the bundle can contain only two products at the same time, one of them for the regular price, second as a free. Then click Setup Details button to go to the next step. The last step of bundle creating allows you to set up the bundle name, type of bundle displaying on the cart page, setting up the tags, assigning to the collections, turning on off the widget, setting up the widget title, and configuring the expiration period timer. Bundle name. In the bundle creation menu, there is a field for entering the bundle name title. Bundle display on the cart page. This option is available only for a combo bundle. This option allows you to choose how the bundle will be passed to the cart, checkout, and the order when the customer purchasing it. This will have some consequences for the bundle functioning. Displaying bundle at the cart as one product. The bundle is being added to the cart and checkout as a single item, so customers are not able to remove any of the products from the bundle. It works with the Shopify discounts. These tags with the discount specific for the bundle. It works with an Ajax cart, so when adding the bundle to the cart, it will appear in the right corner if your team uses an Ajax cart instead of redirecting to the common cart page. Displaying bundle at the cart as multiple products. The bundle is being added to the cart and checkout in multiple lines as separate products. It will work with the third-party inventory and fulfillment systems such as Oberlo and others. It will work even the inventory of your products do not track. It may consist of physical products along with the digital downloadable products. It works with the shipping rates based on the weight. Tags input for a bundle. This option is available only for a combo bundle. You can specify tags for the bundle by analogy with common products to organize the structure of your store, add bundle to automatic collection using tags, configure filtering, etc. Place the cursor in the tags input field. Select a tag from the drop-down list if they exist, or write them yourself by pressing Enter after each tag. Assigning the bundle to the collections. This option is available only for a combo bundle. Place the cursor in the Collections field and select the collections to which you want to assign the current bundle from the drop-down list. Widget turning on/off. This option is available only for a combo bundle. You can enable or disable the widget separately for each bundle besides the general settings of the widget in the Settings tab. Places for which the widget can be enabled or disabled. For the combo bundle, product page and bundle page. Product page is a page of the bundled product. So when you add, for example, a t-shirt and a short to the bundle, so this bundle will be displayed on the t-shirt page and the short page beside the page of the bundle itself if it is a combo bundle. So you can disable the widget for bundled product page or for the bundle page or both. Widget title. This title is displayed at the top of the widget related to the current bundle. If you are creating the combo bundle, then you can specify the widget title separately for the bundle page and a product page. For other bundle types, you can only specify the widget title for product pages, since these types of bundles don't have their own bundle pages. Configuring the expiration period timer. You can enable an expiration period for any of your bundles and set up a date and time when the expiration period will end. It is a useful feature for marketing companies with a Shopify store. You can set up an action which will affect the bundle when the expiration period ends. First, bundle will be removed from the store and app. Second, bundle will be set as unpublished. Third, bundle discount will become equal 0. Then just click the Save button and your bundle will be created. After you clicked the Save button, you will be asked what to do next. Customize the bundle widget or simply go to the dashboard and view your bundle. Let's leave the widget customizing for later and go to the dashboard. Here you can view your bundle in the store. Click the I button and there will be opened the page of the bundle. At the top you can see the bundle name, that is combo bundle. Next there is an add to cart button and the bundle widget. At the top of the bundle widget you can see the widget title that is specific especially for the bundle page. Next there is a list of products with their original price and the sale price and the expiration period. Let us take a look how it is displayed on the product page. To do this, we need to get to the bundled product page. So just click on the one of the products and we were redirected to the product page. You can see this product title and a bundle widget. At the top of the bundle widget there is a widget title that was specified especially for the product page, and you see that it differs from the widget title displaying on the bundle page. All other options are the same. Our bundle was set up as one product displaying at the cart. So let's check how it will look at the cart page. Adding bundle to the cart and just clicking on the cart button. Now we see that this bundle was added as a one-line item with the bundled product properties such as SKU, ID, variant ID and others. Let's check how the bundle will be displayed in the cart if we change it to the multiple displaying. We are returning to the application dashboard, starting edit the bundle, going to the last step of the bundle editing and just changing bundle displaying to the multiple products. Saving, and we are returning to the application dashboard. Then clicking the I button and they are opening a bundle page in your store. Adding bundle to the cart, going to the cart, and here we can see that the bundle was added to the cart as multiple items for each of the bundled product.